Hey y'all, what's poppin'? It's your girl Team Stacey and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? If you're feeling this good, make sure you subscribe and click that bell next to the subscription box. And let's get started. Alright y'all, so first I'm gonna get my hair out my face, and you know my face looking a little rough, but let's get started. So I'm using a hair store eyebrow pencil, nothing expensive, super cheap, and I'm just gonna line the bottom of my brows and then I'm gonna take it to the top. The way I do my eyebrows is super easy. Like, I use my imagination because I don't have any hair, so you know I just make, you know, whatever look I'm going for that day, fill it in, you know, draw wherever I want to draw because I got a lot of forehead space, so I have a lot of room. And then I'm gonna take my Pure Beige LA Pro concealer, and I'm just going to carve out my eyebrows. Alright, so with the same concealer I use in my eyebrows, I just put that all over my eyes just so we can have a nice base. You can use like any base, but I prefer concealer. It's just cheaper, you know, one stone, two birds type thing. With the Warrior palette by Juvias, I'm gonna take that light brown shade and we're gonna put that above our crease. And we're just using that as our transition color, and you're gonna see me go back and forth in that color just to build it, and then I'm gonna blend it out with windshield wiper motions. Now with this deep chocolate brown, I'm gonna put that a little bit above my crease just to give us, you know, I always say this in every makeup video, but a nice gradient effect. Then I'm gonna go back in with the previous light brown to blend that out. Now with a small tapered brush, I'm gonna take this black. Now be careful with black, ladies, don't go too crazy. You wanna put that directly inside your crease, and I'm showing you guys here, I'm literally in the folds of my eyeballs, okay? In your crease. Then go back in with the previous light brown color. If you guessed it, you are right. We're going with that dark brown, I mean to say, and we're just gonna blend out the black just so everything is nice, smooth, and blended. And now we're taking the same concealer for the third time, and we are just going to place it in the center of our eye. Look up, you guys saw what I just did there, but here I want to show you guys, and I did not speed this clip up or anything, I want to show you guys how I created that circular effect. So you just want to take a round eyeshadow brush and just create a circle. You can also put the concealer on your ring finger and just kind of place it on the center. That works as well if that's easier for you. But now I'm going to take this lighter eyeshadow just to set that concealer so it doesn't smudge all over the place. So now with the two colors that I used in and near my crease, I'm just going to blend out the edges of that circle, if that makes sense. So you just see me going around that circle. And now I'm just going to do a very dramatic cat eye. I just really wanted to do a nice sharp cat eye look because my hair like gives me that like Chung Lee vibes. Like, I don't know, like, you know, tell me if you guys feel them vibes of my new hairstyle. But I just wanted a very bold, sharp liner. But you can honestly skip the liner and the look will still come out A1. So after I prime my face, now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty foundation in color 370, and I'm gonna blend this in with my foundation brush. So I got this bronzer from the hair store and it's literally the truth. So I'm gonna take that yellow tone and I'm gonna put that under my eyes, and then with that medium brown color, I'm gonna use that to bronze up my face. And I also got a blush from them. Now I don't really wear blush, but I don't know, like, I think I'm into it now. Like, it gives your face more color and I'm into that. So then I went in with this eyeshadow palette for my highlight because them shimmers are just popping. So I use that for my highlight. And now another product that I got from the hair store, just a dark brown lip liner. I'm going to line my lips, and then I'm going to go in with my NYX lipstick. The colors that I use will be linked down below. I don't remember off the dome, but I don't really wear lipstick. I'm usually a gloss girl, but y'all, this just pulled my look together on 1000. Alright, y'all, hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you like this look and you thought it was easy to follow. I love you guys so much. Bye, guys.